In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Maple Hospital Roblox lag. So if you're also having problems that Maple Hospital is lagging on your Roblox, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I had to do firstly is I had to close my Roblox app, and then I went into the settings app on my phone instead. And in here I just scrolled down and I clicked on General. Then I scrolled down and I clicked on Storage in here, as you can see, and then I just waited a couple of seconds for this to load here, as you can see. So we just have to wait a couple of seconds, unfortunately, for it to load. And then I just scrolled down in here. I had to find Roblox. So sometimes we can actually scroll up again in here and just search for Roblox instead and just find it right away. Then click on Offload App, and once again in here, click on Offload App. Then just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, as you can see. So we're just going to wait and click on Reinstall App here. And now you're just going to wait for it to reinstall. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times here. So just wait for it to reinstall, and when it's done, go back into your Roblox app and try Maple Hospital once again. And hopefully now it's going to work for you.